Ghana nanke have 4 slots in Africa, 2 for Champions League, 2 for Confederations Cup. Due to non-participation and the poor performances, you lose 2 slots. Say you qualify, you call, you need sky, you call, you call your idea. A master slots also at about 2 for some time now. Yeah, say you beat me the lost slots back. Now see, if I the lost slots back, now you bet team B. Na bobo kubi akwa kudiga na nim agis loss no back team ben na sin Asante Kotoko e wo se Asante Kotoko na kokun idiga na nim ekun agis loss no back enti na wo se yeko defend Ghana e to so bi wenya akwanya so be kwa Africa na wa ankwa e ti se last stars qualify for AFCON no mo so monko because Africa corner you don't go just for yourself as Asante Kotoko, but you go for the entire nation to represent the nation. And you know, one a consul and also no politically, I know the bit my a reason to go to government and make a good case for support. Because you know, Muna and JBI call AFCON Egypt 2019, I bind a budget of $6 million and a coin. I'm a coin on my spending in say HAP, no, only 1.5 back, that's not to account. I believe, sir, if we're able to make a good case to government, sir, Asika, the core AFCON, representing Ghana for participation, now say, Kotokonsu, yeah, I could defend Ghana. In your 10%, them say, and it's in the interest of government, sir, the lost slots in the CAF competitions, you know, Ghana beat me, I will claim those slots. So if Kotoko is going on that agenda, and it's important that government supports. Now also inquire, how do you go to government to even make the case in the first place? Then we come to the sporting reasons. We need to rebuild our team. This will be because in a team I have said that Kotoko Africa, we need to build a Chan-like kind of team. Like a Chan-like kind of team. It's about getting the best players in Ghana and then even going beyond the shores of Ghana to try and get some good players to help us. In first, in Kotoko Africa, Kotoko team yadi and say at the end of the season, you know, Kotoko team we are no the best player, no the best player, no building a national team kind of setup and our squad with media Africa challenge. But dynamics in Asasakakra, ama players. Now, other teams are able to compete with Kotoko on the transfer market. So the appeal of going to Africa will aid in our recruitment. So, say by our catch a player, it's own free Mediama, and now say Mina Sharks and another club, Embrambe Kotoko. One of the things that will appeal to the player is to appeal to the best players within our country and even on the African continent to join us. Now, the promise of a Champions League football was good to help us. And yes, I need to recruit the best players now. And also, I my league, to be able to represent the next time. Now, say you decided, say, Yanko. Now, and players be it means that we are also reducing our chances in terms of winning even the league this time around to be able to go the next time. So that was also very important for us. Tosubium a commercial. There are sponsors who want presence on the African continent. Because you qualify for Champions League, you participate in that brand association. Say beya you call Africa almost be near team into Mubriska, Amedia squad. Now say what's on Africa? It means you lose those sponsors who want that appeal of going to Africa with you for you to be able to showcase their brand. And I think so in terms of platform for your players. Now we are in Chebiana kind of saying become Chelsea for Africa. Amokobo Mohamedin do money zone. Yes, kakakra. Almost signed 2 players to the tune of over $4 million. Everybody share on team. And you know, going to Africa no is a no-brainer. However, team in Africa say kwa keke. Because we will say I don't know no mon fan to na mon fan your project be. say be Adakoja project here, I now for sika no enhye. It makes sense. However, no, say wo hye team ni yie. Na wo de niema tutu kwan mu na ukona akoye ade ade. It can say the benefits, far outweighs you not going, because participation also brings experience. Obi eno ka say me tenasia hye me team wo dem na ma kwa Africa once akwa wini. E bin see that. Uko na akopem no aba, kopem no aba. Me come as say success. There are several ways in judging success. Me philosophy is say me free akọ Achimota. Na me nima Achimota. Na me free ha ekwa kodu circle. Ana say bia Tesano. Na me hu kwan na Antwerp so na me back to Adabraka. Bia me we ya. Enye failure. Because next time say me decide me kwa Achimota, at least me free ha kosi Tesano. Into the next assignment is to figure out from Tesano to Achimota. But Obinsu or no over for so I feel no be figure out from here to Tesano. Into na kesa me disa nipaneni. In the participation also builds the experience, and it also builds the clout and the credibility of the club. However, we need to prepare properly. Sebe ye konso ayenye den. Yen kugu ye ho ani mase.